Hello guys, today I show you how to copy the component and divide number of component by the distance. So this is a 20 meter, and I divide this into 5, so we have 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so I will do another one, and the distance is the same. I use air, okay, and I push, okay, then I make a component. Okay, I copy this one. Let's say example 10 meter. Okay, and then I make it example 2, and then this sign, and then enter. See, we have 2 1 2. So the distance is the same. If you okay, it 3.6, and here 3.6. Yeah, again. Okay, I divide it into 20 meter. Example here, click here, M. Okay, 20 meter, enter, and I divide it into example 3, and then this, enter, 1 2 3. Yeah, okay, so the distance is the same. Okay, this is 5.27. This is also 5.27. Yeah, that's cool. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.